I'm using Helium 10's Influencer Tab to find products that are selling 3,000 a month minimum, or that have little videos on the carousel. Okay, and I'm finding these products very easily. These products will pay for themselves in a matter of a month and start boosting my earnings. With all the uncertainty in the Amazon Influencer program, you really have to do something. You really got to get the tools you need to better yourself. Well, I'll leave the link down there. If you're serious, you'll check it out. Are you an Amazon influencer struggling to find the best products to promote? You're about to discover the one tool that makes product research easier than ever. Hey, do you ever wish you could find winning products without a hassle? Helium's 10 new Influencer Tab, you'll be able to do just that. Hey, Amazon influencers, if you're tired of spending hours searching for the perfect product to promote with little success, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into Helium 10's new Influencer Tab. A game-changing feature will make your product research a breeze. You only need the starter plan to unlock all the tools you need. Are you struggling to stay in the 4% commission category? The Influencer Tab can help you with that. The Influencer Tab is going to tell you monthly sales, how many videos, what the commission rate is. So if you're tired of sifting through thousands of products to find a winner, Influencer Tab, you get data-driven insights in seconds, saving you hours of research. Not sure which products are selling well? The Influencer Tab is real-time data, showing you which products are converting and trending. Wondering why some of your links don't convert? The Influencer Tab provides detailed metrics, so you can optimize your strategy, increase conversions. It's hard to know which products to focus on for the best results. The Influencer Tab lets you track product performance, helping you refine your choices for maximum impact. So now you know the Helium 10's Influencer Tab can streamline your product research and boost your affiliate earnings. It's time to take action. If you're an Amazon influencer looking to level up, head to the link in the description. Get started with the starter plan. Get 10% off with my link. You don't want to miss out on the tools that'll make your job easier and more profitable. Let's get to work.